Hey, Red Dog. I'm doing a little test here. Change to the live view. Okay, you should be able to hear me. And I should be able to zoom in a little bit so we can see things. Okay, so I got this one little dude here.
What? Stop prompting me! Why don't
Okay,
you write some code for a change?
okay, let's do a quick little thing. We'll change to the manual approval and I'll say tell me the actual time and date on this computer.
Prompt, prompt.
Push to speed the full conversation.
Done.
Done. Okay. I think you're too ugly to build with, so let's make another one. What's your code agent current directory? At your command. I can say it though.
Hmm? Hmm?
That's the original one. You don't care about him anymore. So this original one,
What?
what we can do with him? We will do his profile. He's done one mission. Well, there's a lot of tokens, so it's a little stupid little thing. Oh, well. We're gonna add some use details. Okay, let's see. We're gonna dismiss him. He's gone. It's just the other one.
Hmm?
So here we go. Fan mode is good. Are we using good JavaScript framework for 2D games that are fully client side in the browser? Design game code called Ragdoll Jump. Uh, where is this Ragdoll? And we'll have to generate some art for it. Um, and and it's a single input game pressing space jumps, and it's a side scroller with various obstacles to jump over. Some interesting parallax backgrounds. Scrolling by we want sound effects for things like jumping and dying, and then boss bad guy comes on it, where you have to avoid it, and when you die, notice that, and then it's game over. The top, we will want some sort of score keeping and maybe 3 lives for the game. Where the character flickers in and out a few times between dying and respawning. Nice game, a nice game over animation, and the whole viewport um, be able to have some interesting filters that are shaders put on top of, and some controls for this outside of the main game window. This will run in a browser. Okay. Ask me any questions for that need to be clarified. We will also create a small web server to host this on port 9007. Okay, let's go to play mode.
Prompt, prompt.
And,
Huh?
have a look. Okay, what style of art do you want for the game? Pixel art? Yeah, let's do that. Okay. What game world to sit in? City streets. Yes. Yeah. Which one's the home? View agent type
Huh?
information. Use the place to create new agents. View token usage. Token details. Configuration. Okay, there's that dog. Here we go. So let's see if this guy's got any more questions. Yes.
I had something for this.
What should the boss enemy be? Dog catcher van. Let's say giant raccoon. Still going. What's this? These quests. Add test harness. Improve project structure. Add CIDC pipeline. Yeah, we won't do that. Any of those. Working. Go to the different buildings. View agent type information. Create server. Strategist. Software architect. Engineer. Operative. Barracks. Install plugins. Agent Craft. Create a custom skill. Browse and install skills. We got Vercel, web design guidelines, front end design, SEO audit. We can make our own. Token monitor. Let's have a look.
I had something for this. Hmm?
Okay. Still planning. It must have taken my over
Leave
here.
me alone.
Leave me alone. Nope, I'm not leaving you
Yes?
alone. Well, this one, we're going to go haiku. It's not going to use any tokens at all. Manually approved, so we don't have plain BS. Using crazy amount of tokens. Rename hero. Let's call it Rat Dog. Das ist Hund. Okay. Tell me a poem about dog.
Prompt.
Hmm.
Done.
Small paws, sharp eyes, hunter's silk in miniature form.
Prompt.
Okay. Come on. Why are you taking so long? Hey, let's come back. Sucking. Just implement and make sure you only put stuff. Okay, that's actually working. So we'll go back to it. So now we are going to do it for real inside here. Yes, so just the contents, and I'm gonna paste all those ticks that I have done. I'm gonna make sure I'm in plan mode. Key decision queries. These are three fastest path. Sure. Pixel art, so that's right. Use existing MP3s. Yes. Okay, avoid any hazards. Yes. Preset buttons. Pixel. Yeah. I'd like the questions for that was asked before. I chose the specific effects. Desktop and mobile web. So desktop browser only. Node static server script. Yes. Generate placeholders. Manual polish. Yep. Yes, one point there. Yeah, it's good. Freeze the mouse. Short slow, which can present short slow movement. Camera zoom, shader pulsing. Camera over. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, sure. One main, right? Yeah, how should we map? Menu, rotate the tracks per segment. Use one track. Yes. Let me choose. Yeah, activate. That's okay. Go back. Okay. Tab notes. Yes, but and good area outside the game area. Let choose which of the MP3s is being used. Line ramp over time. Anyone else? Yeah, sure. So there's front pack include yes. Runtime synth. I was hoping they'll use that library. Okay. Include Safari too. I'm using Safari, so space to restart. Sure. No extra life pickups. Still a real one extra life pickup. Got that 3 lives. Yes. La di da da. Gather the stuff now. It's writing out the plan, and like a lazy person, I'm not even going to read that really well, other than as it scrolls past. Okay, yes, implement the plan. 97% left of my codex. That will be my 5-hour session. So let me go to OpenAI, and while it's working, go check on it. Codex settings, usage. Yeah. 80% of my weekly is remaining. That's interesting. Oh, okay, that's percentage might have been contents. So I haven't even used any of my 5-hour usage yet. 80% of my weekly one, which actually resets in, half an hour at noon. Which I wish I'd used more of it this week. I've done a crazy amount of stuff, projects, and I only ended up using 20%. Um, but if I look at it, that's the 20 times plan, but at the moment it's almost like the 40 times plan because it's double usage to April. So the $200 basically 40 times plan. So, and sure, this is still visible. Designing a shader and post logic. Um, split down. Yes. do another codex right here. Tell me size of the various source files and counts in this project so far. This will not be. So 18,000 lines of code. Dog jump. Oh, how long has it been working? 7 minutes. Can you use it to give some file type and this project number and number of files for that file type and then size, total size, and make it a pretty key art table with color. Check on it in my browser, then I'll probably have to share that browser after. I'll have to share that after. So anyway, let's see. We got like a little thing. We have 41k of JavaScript. We got markdowns, HTML, and CSS. And anyway, we will get rid of that one, and we'll see what it said. Fine implementation end to end in this workspace. These are 3 rat dog jumps, boss, blah blah blah, external controls, audio. Okay, and right. So kind of interesting. Need to get it put on the screen. Okay, now let's go play it. Let's play the retry. Okay, let's see if we can find a boss. I died. Score though, wow, out of all the people in the world, I've got the best score of this game. Okay, let's see about the songs. I kind of want to, okay, chromatic aberration, CIP scan lines, oh that's cool. A little bit of glitch, really low pixelate. I just want to be working. Okay, here we go. Wow, it's really changed it. Now, okay, this is quite interesting technique. Getting it to use its own stuff, but it'll be interesting whether I can work this out. I use this technique like this not to roll back, but to kind of summarize what's happened. Uh, And I will does that mean it actually had made its own soundtrack? Not only sound effects. Wow. That's really impressive. Really impressive. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at that. Let's see. Oh, it changed it. Had that open so you don't even see. Blah blah. Let's try again. So you can actually see nicely. Spin in a circle 3 times, then freeze. Touching the sky like a loading screen. Oh no, will I get through? King of the alley in a safe file space. Okay, now go faster. And I died. Back to the synths. That music, that was pretty epic. So this was it generated it. um, I'm really impressed with that. I mean, it didn't do what I asked. I asked for the MP3s in the start, but I'm actually just glad that I can actually make a chiptune that doesn't sound too stupid. Let's do some of the effects. Chromatic and CRT. I really like the CRT one. Now let's just die and be done. Change that. Let's at slash music report.html standalone page with all the CSS and all included. Boom. Oh, it's planning. I didn't even put on plan mode. Just using it. Not using the context here. It's deciding to create sub-agents to work out the stuff, which is kind of good. Stops the context and what. HTML. Okay, let's bring it up. Okay, audio context isolation. Melody notes. Okay, so it's actually formulaic. One star, one bar. Melody gates is stochastic. So it's going to see the melody steps higher. Each bar plays melody one octave higher. This is this one. Make what is it? It looks good. Yeah. Okay, so at this stage, I say go back to the screen. Yo, Red Dog, hold on while I change windows. And we are going to change to ending soon. And we are going to say